This video is for The Living Earth, Unit 1.3, Describing Populations. Today's essential question is, what is the difference between density-dependent and density-independent factors? First main idea, population demographics. Population demographics vary due to both density-dependent and density-independent factors. Density-dependent factors affect population more as the population density increases. Competition for resources becomes more intense as density increases. Resource availability is an example of a density-dependent factor. Infectious diseases are diseases that can spread from one host to another. Infectious diseases are a density-dependent factor. An increase in density increases the rate of host interactions, which in turn hastens the spread of the disease. This axiom supports health professionals' recommendations that people with infectious diseases, such as the flu, stay home and avoid interactions with other people. Predation is also a density-dependent factor. Higher numbers of prey result in increases in the predator population. Higher predator numbers increase the predation rate, and higher numbers of prey can change predator behavior. Many predators prefer to hunt more abundant prey. So as a particular prey population becomes less abundant, predators choose a different prey population, as long as one is available. Decreases in the number of prey will also decrease predator numbers. Decline in predators releases the predation stress on the prey. So, the population of prey and their numbers increase again. These cyclic fluctuations in population sizes of predator and the prey result in the so-called predator-prey relationship and the coevolution of predators and their prey. Density-dependent factors are generally biotic or living components. Resource availability is one notable exception, as these resources can either be biotic, such as prey numbers, like we just mentioned, or abiotic, such as the availability of water. Density-independent factors. Density-independent factors are often abiotic. By definition, they do not vary with population density. Severe weather events, such as fires and floods, affect large and small populations, regardless of population size. Human activities, such as the release of pollutants and habitat destruction, can also affect populations independent of their densities. Non-infectious diseases are an example of biotic density-independent factors. Non-infectious diseases, such as cancer, which are not spread from individual to individual, have similar rates in both high and low density populations. At this point, you should be able to generate a full and appropriate response to today's essential question. What is the difference between density-dependent and density-independent factors?